This fucking wires out here. It's just fucking bollocks. Come on, Bono. Come on, Bono. You can do it, Bono. You can do it. Oh wait, Edge, what the fuck's going on with you? Come on, Edge. What the fuck's up? Edge. Are you doubting me, Edge? No, Bono. Are you doubting me, Edge? Bono, no. Are you doubting me, Edge? Bono, I just don't think that we should be doing this. I mean, we are rock stars. We are not bomb technicians. Shut the fuck up, Edge. I almost got it. Do you remember the first time we started out as bomb technicians? What the fuck's he talking about? Those were the fucking days. Hey guys, I think I got it. Oh wait.